In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change PHP version on business servers. This guide will show you how you can manage PHP settings on your business servers, stellar business and old business SSD plans. First of all, log into your cPanel. Go to the exclusive for Namecheap customer section to the PHP tweaks menu. Then click on the PHP tweaks menu. Now select the domain for the corresponding drop-down menu and manage the following group of settings. The PHP version section allows you to check the version which is currently used and set the required one. The loaders and caches sections allow you to choose the PHP loader for your scripts and the PHP accelerator for caching the compiled bytecode of your PHP scripts. And the others section provides you with the list of additional modules and extensions which can be enabled according to your needs. So from this PHP version section, you can easily change your PHP version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.